My name is Marques.
I'm Casey.
And we are this week's guests on Truth or Dab.
So we're gonna be telling the truth, or we're gonna be
eating a
super hot
death wing.
Yeah, I'm on my tippy toes right now because Marques is so much taller than me, look.
Yeah, it's true. We'll be fine.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, and welcome back to another episode of Truth or Dab, the Hot Ones special, where we give our guests two simple options: tell the truth or suffer the wrath of the last dab. And today we're joined by two friends of the brand, Casey Neistat and Marques Brownlee. You know them both as two of the most influential names in tech, illustrious Hot Ones guests, and overall cool guys. Check out the YouTube channels Casey Neistat and MKBHD respectively, though I suspect you're already familiar. Fellas, welcome back to Hot Ones.
Good to be here.
That was a great intro. I appreciate that.
Strong intro.
All right, let me break down the rules. So in front of you, you guys have three scorching hot chicken wings that have all been doused in various versions of the last dab.
Yeah.
I have a set of deeply personal, potentially awkward questions for each of you. And when I ask you a question, you have a choice. Answer it honestly or escape the truth by eating a death wing. And Marques, we'll start with you.
Thank God.
Okay.
You know you've done really big name interviews from Elon Musk to Kobe Bryant to Bill Gates. Can you give us one guardrail or a topic that was considered off limits that came to you before your sit down from one of their teams?
Yeah, I can. Yes, I can. Yeah, anytime you do a big interview, you have some sort of lead up to it. And I remember before speaking with Elon, it was sort of a dicey time in his Twitter history. Interestingly, that wasn't off limits. Future products were off limits. Unannounced things. If I tried to ask about the pickup truck, I would have gotten someone going, no, not this time. So yeah, I can say there were some things off limits, but usually they're pretty good about it.
Swerving a wing.
Yeah.
Like you swerve those potholes on autopilot. Casey?
That was a little bit of a softball there, Sean.
Well then how about this, you know, you can swerve them too. Casey Neistat, same question to you, Logan Paul.
Oh my. Oh my.
Yeah, what was off limits there?
Okay, there was nothing off limits with Logan Paul, who was like, where's the camera? Logan, thank you for being generous with that interview. But there was an enormous amount of trepidation, and this I've never talked about, and I hope, Logan, you don't see this as a violation of trust. After that was shot, there were several phone calls from Team Logan asking me not to include parts. Don't go there, list of questions. But
did you cut anything out?
I did not. My response was that it would not have been intellectually honest to not include the whole thing.
Respect.
Like blemishes and all.
All right, so after round one, we've successfully swerved the wings and then the conversation. It is such a lovely segue into round two over here. Marques, you built a YouTube empire on your call it like you see it tech reviews, but we know the Amazons, the Apples, the Googles of the world, they carry a big stick.
Yeah.
What's the biggest blowback that you've ever gotten from a major tech brand that either wanted you to scrap a bad review or take down a video?
This is great.
Wow. That's a
Good one.
that's a good question.
Straight to the gut. This answer could potentially damage his career,
Nah,
Sean,
nah.
so I just want to commend
No,
you.
look,
right.
I'm always honest in the videos. So anytime there's something that's critical about a product, the best part of it for me is it's always true. And so whatever their response is has to be based around the fact that what I said is actually true. But I do remember pretty recently I reviewed a phone from a company called Redmi. The front-facing camera I called, I quote, straight garbage in the video. It was horrible, but I'm pretty sure it was broken. Did not know it at the time. Got an email from them, you know, pointing to their fantastic other results that they've achieved, saying, can you make another follow-up video or something like that? And I didn't do a follow-up video, but, you know, followed up on social with some more testing.
All right, still swerving. Casey, now to you, and it's a fork in the road.
Okay.
You can either answer the same question that Marques just answered. You know, the biggest blowback that you've ever gotten from a major brand who either wanted you to take a video down or scrap a review or what have you, or you could open up the QuickBooks and tell us the most money you've ever gotten to make a video or personal appearance.
Oh my God.
It's vicious, this guy. Vicious. Luckily, I skipped lunch today, Sean. So, I think I'm just gonna, have a quick wing, but
There you go.
I'm gonna put a little extra sauce on it.
I love that. Always
Really?
committing.
Well, I feel like
Casey.
he gave me
Always
two
committing.
questions to choose from.
So you're
neither of
meeting me
which,
halfway on that one.
I feel like either me answering either of those honestly would definitely compromise my own integrity. So, I'm just gonna put a little.
A little.
That's way too much.
That's a lot,
what am I supposed to do? I
in
can't
trouble.
scrape it off, otherwise they're gonna call
We
me.
dig
Cameras-
our own graves here.
Cameras are rolling, you just gotta do it.
So I guess that's a dab
That's a dab.
for old Neistat over here. Oh shit.
I got like secondhand burns over here.
I can smell it in the air.
Oh my God, why would you make this? What does the Scorpion edition mean?
We use the scorpion pepper in this one. You know, maybe we do a Carolina Reaper version, which you'll see on down the line. Sometimes scorpion, sometimes pepper X.
I'm still sick from the last time we recorded one of these, Sean. Holy smokes, why would I put extra on them? Oh God.
Sometimes it gets the best of us here on Truth or Dab, but the train does not stop rolling. It is time to go into round 3. Casey, we'll give you a little break on the
It
question,
really was that hot. Holy
but
shit.
not on the heat, because Marques, we need to know, what's the worst video Casey's ever made?
That was Marques. I'm gonna have to eat another one if you ask me what the worst video.
What's the video? What's the worst
I
video?
really value our
Nah.
friendship, man.
Nah.
Thank you, Marques.
Falling on a grenade for Casey,
No, I like Casey too much.
as good friends do.
I appreciate that you didn't put extra sauce on it. That was just me being an asshole.
Yeah, no chance I'm gonna do that. No chance.
Why don't you take one for the team? Fuck, I'm really struggling over here.
All right, Casey, it's struggle city, but the bus, it doesn't pull over, okay? You're obviously a legacy YouTuber, and I can say from personal experience, a very kind, generous, and supportive friend, but it is time to burn some bridges and make things awkward at next year's VidCon. Rank these YouTubers from best to worst.
I don't even go to VidCon. This is great.
David Dobrik,
Oh,
Liza Koshy, PewDiePie, James Charles.
Luckily, I came hungry. Liza's like one of the nicest.
Truth or dab?
Say 10 out of 10.
Sometimes it's just straight up unfair.
It doesn't even taste like chicken. It tastes like poison.
the show feels so different when you're not eating the wing with us.
Right. It feels a lot different for me too, I gotta be
Yeah.
honest
It
with
feels
you.
punitive. Like, what did we do?
Yeah, why am I?
We
Okay,
volunteered to come here.
On to the next round.
my words are hot.
All right, Marques. What does the K stand for?
Well, here's a technically correct answer. I know I'm not getting
okay.
away with this.
Technicalities, yeah.
The
we
K
don't-
stands for my middle name.
That's a good
Okay, yeah, fine.
Freedom of information requests his birth certificate.
Oh boy. It's funny because I have had several times where it's like almost come up. Traveling internationally for Frisbee, the guy takes all our passports, reads them back to us, reads all the names back, and gets to hear it. You guys don't get to hear it yet. Soon.
How is it legal to sell this stuff? It's like a bottle of mace.
Casey,
Yeah.
you guys are both internet trailblazers, but with anything that pops on the internet, of course, you father your fair share of copycat channels and creators. Is there a channel you feel owes you royalties?
There are channels that I feel owe you royalties.
I'm like, I can't even keep the water in my mouth at this point.
It's coming undone here on Truth or Dab.
I'm gonna answer this one very gently, because I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings.
Right.
There was a vlogger, an OG vlogger, but one of these guys. You know, like, yo, what's up? And then, about 2 months after I started vlogging, I started setting the camera up. Started using a big camera.
What's his name?
Everything changed. Okay, and I called him out on it. I physically got his phone number, I called him, I'm like, dude.
We see what's going on here.
And because of that phone call, he and I have become, he is one of my closest friends in the whole world. And he inspires me. His creativity now motivates me. The great Jesse Wellens. I think one of the best YouTubers out there.
Full circle, coming full circle.
Coming full circle. And I think if Jesse were here, he'd say the same thing.
Here, the gloves come off because guys, this is now a head-to-head competition. The first in Truth or Dab history. We are going to head-to-head and someone here will eat a wing because it is pop quiz time, baby.
Right.
And we are doing Tesla trivia.
Oh shit, it's game over for old man Neistat.
Marques versus Casey Neistat. It's about to go down.
How many Teslas do you have? Okay.
All right, so 3 multiple choice questions, okay? And then if we're still tied after 3, we have a tiebreaker, 4th question.
I hope it's what does the K stand for?
It is going down.
I'm gonna feel bad if I lose this, honestly.
First question, what was the Tesla Model S's code name during initial research and development? Was it Falcon, White Star, Speed Pass, or Kimbo Slice? Write down your answers. All right, answers in. On the count of 3, we will reveal. 1, 2, 3.
I said White Star, but honestly, I have no idea.
I put Falcon.
Those are both good answers. Only one of them is correct, and it is Casey Neistat. Casey Neistat in the lead, 1-0.
Trick question?
As I'm sure you guys are aware, Tesla Inc. is named after Serbian-American inventor and engineer Nikola Tesla. Which of the following is he not credited with inventing? The first alternating current motor, the first wireless remote control boat, neon lights, or the smoke detector. So you pick the one thing he is not credited with inventing. It's a shot in the dark here for Casey and Marques. On the count of 3, let's take a look at the answer. 1, 2, 3. Smoke detector and neon lights. Again, we have one answer correct here, one that is incorrect. If Casey's correct, he wins the game. If Marques is correct, he lives to hear another question. Casey is correct. 2-0 in a best of 3, which means one more wing to cap off this incredible.
All right, round of applause for Marques
or
eating
dab.
those rings.
Oh, man.
In a million years, I didn't think I could beat this guy in a Tesla trivia contest.
Was that even a Tesla question,
Not
though?
really, but
Not
you gotta
really.
go
And
with that.
kind of
really
neither
deep
was the
background,
third.
Marques.
Was that a Tesla question? Well played, Casey.
Running the board.
Thanks, Marques. Appreciate
Word.
it. Good luck.
And there you have it. It's another Truth or Dab in the books. MK, BHD, Casey Neistat. You already know. Yeah.
Someone said they had other
I
wings
hate
of other.
spicy foods. Anything spicy,
Well,
I can't
thank you.
do.
It means a lot to me that you guys came out.
I couldn't have done the third wing.
I feel great.
I would have told you anything not to eat that third wing.
Hey, what's going on, Hot Ones fans? This is Sean Evans checking in with a very exciting hot sauce update. Our first ever collaborative sauce, it's here. 88 Rising, First We Feast, joining forces to make Dragon in the Clouds. You saw me, Joji, and Rich Brian mixing it up in the cauldron, yuzu from Japan, Szechuan peppercorn from China, and of course, you know your boy brought the heat. But don't worry, we got some professionals together to make sure this stuff is FDA approved, extremely limited, very quality, and something we're super proud of. If you want to get your hands on Dragon in the Clouds, visit 88nightmarket.com. That's 88nightmarket.com. Don't miss your chance. The dragon, it can fly away.